Arriving at the Nürburgring region during Car Freitag is always great. You never know what you will run into. There are all kinds of car enthusiasts on their way. The main building is quite a large complex and houses the museum, indoor parking lot, and lots of shops. It's also the way into the grandstands at the main Grand Prix track. The busiest and most famous gasoline station is the ED, where enthusiasts wait in long lines to fill up their cars with gasoline for their tourist drives. Well, time attack tourist drives these days. During the busiest weekends, the gasoline station is also home to a lot of petrolheads who just want to see and hear the cars drive by. Be prepared for traffic jams. And some flashy and exclusive cars like this BMW M car and Lotus Emira, not something you see every day. All the gasoline stations will be full, so keep that in mind when driving around. Adenau has many great places for refreshments and something to eat. Some places are so close to the track you can always hear cars driving by. It's worth making the effort to find parking and enjoy a meal there.